Oh, hey, guess who's excited?
Hi guys, my name is Patty Pepper, aka Patrice Renee, and today I am reviewing the Neewer 18-inch ring light. I teach 3rd and 4th grade in Hinsdale, Illinois, and I'm reviewing this because I needed options for virtual teaching. As you can see here, I'm setting up the ring light, and I'm super happy because it comes with an adapter. It has a holder for my phone if I choose to record with my phone. And I also like the fact that the ring light is big enough for me to be able to fit my whole face inside of the frame. Sometimes ring lights are super small and you can't see things. This was my old setup. It's more for studio lighting. I like that it came with this awesome bag, and inside the bag, these are all the items that you need to set your ring light up. The ring light came with instructions, remote controls, everything that you need to get started. So now everything is set up, and I'm just going to show you the two remotes that it came with. It did come with instructions, which I needed just to make sure everything was together properly. Bluetooth remote, and then the other remote is digital. The digital remote didn't come with batteries, so I had to put 2 batteries in there. Not a big deal, but the settings of the light are awesome. Super bright, warm light, and then just kind of a regular studio light. This is what it looks like. And I tried it from 2 different angles. What do you guys think? Do you have a ring light? Let me know what you're using at home if you're doing virtual teaching as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And you can follow me at Tales of Patty Pepper on all social media platforms. See you in my next video.